Saad and Daad. How to connect them together or with other letters? Interested to know? Just follow me. Hello everyone. Safe here and a new video with Arabic with Safe. In the previous lessons, we have covered 13 letters different forms. Today, with two more letters different forms, Saad and Daad. Both have same forms and the only difference in the dot. Let's see letter Saad different four forms. This is the isolated form of Saad as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write it in the beginning of a word, start with the shape of Saad as it is, but don't curve it down because it needs to be connected to another letter after. The middle form of Saad, it allows to connect before and after. So it will be like the beginning form, but draw a short straight tail exactly on the line before it to help any letter to get connected. The final form of Saad, we draw a short line and attach it with Saad shape as isolated form. This short line will help any letter before it to get connected. If you understand well letter Saad different forms, it will be easy for you to know also Daad because has same forms. Let's see letter Daad, four forms. We know the isolated form of Daad as we studied in level 1. If Daad in the beginning of a word, it will be same as Saad, but with a dot on top, allows to connect any letter after. If Daad in the middle of a word, it will be also same as Saad with a dot on top, allows to connect letter after and before. If Daad at the end of a word, it will be same way of Saad, allows to connect any letter before. Now let's practice how to connect and read some letters, but we will mix letters between this lesson and the previous one. Ba, Saad, Ra. Let's connect these three letters. First, we will check the relation between Ba and Saad. If Ba in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after. And letter Saad, middle form, can be connected to any letter before and after. So both will get connected. Now we will check the relation between Saad and Ra. Saad in the middle, allowing to connect letter after. And Ra final form can connect any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. All will be connected. Let's read it. Basar. Basar means sight or vision. Another word. Daad, Alif, Ra. Let's connect these three letters. First, we will check the relation between Daad and Alif. If Daad in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after. And letter Alif in the middle, allowing to connect letter before. So both will get connected. Now we will check the relation between Alif and Ra. Alif in the middle, allowing to connect letter before, but nothing after. That's why letter ra final form by default will change to be isolated form. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Dar. Dar means harmful. Okay, now I will show you some isolated letters and you try to form two words. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. I'm always ready to answer. Saad and Dal. Try to connect these two letters to form a word. Ra, Daad, and Kha. Try to connect these three letters to form one more word. Here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.